So hi guys, today we are going to see how we can use a state in a functional component using the useState hook from React. So what is the state of a component? A state of a component is a thing that defines the current state of that component, what its background color is, whatever some text or some constant function is. So what we are going to do, what we want, if we change some state, then our the render function should return this corresponding view, like we have this here, and if we change some like this text or something, then what we want these things to be changed here. But if we directly change the other constant that we have defined in this function, that will not going to recall this render function that would be called from this return, that would return this like view from here. So what we are going to do, we are going to use some kind of state that we have in the class component. So for using that thing, what we are going to use, we are going to use useState hook. So let's define a background color for our screen. So we are going to use state, and what use state takes, it takes a default, it takes the initial value to that constant. So let's give it a initial value as pink, and it will return two things. So it will return two things. First one is the name of that variable, so you can give it whatever you want. We are going to give it as background color, and so the second thing it returns is the function that would be used to change the state value of this variable. So let's name it as set background color. So now we hooked this variable to the state of this functional component named as s, so named as app. So let's give a background color to this view. So for giving more than one style properties, let's wrap it in a list and just give it another style property as background color equal to this, or this variable as a background color, and let's save it. So now you can see our initial value to the background color is pink. Now what we want to change the state of this view. So whenever we click on this button, we want this color to be changed. So we have created this button here, and the on press method of this button is empty. So let's create a method for this constant. Let's name it as color change handler, and it would be a function, and what it will do, it will read the current state of our this background color hook, background color variable, and it will return a new state according to that. So it will call set background color, and set background color will automatically give a property that would be the current value of that prop. So let's name it as current color. Let's name it as current color, and what it will return, it will be a function, and if current color is our pink, then let's say we are returning orange, and if it is something else, then we will return something else, would be orange only, so we will return pink. So now our function is like complete, and we just need to call this function. So instead of calling it here, so we can just call it here, or like we can write it shorthanded as just pointing this on press to this color change handler. So we are going to use this shorthand, and let's save this code, and now it is hot reloaded, and whenever we press on this button, our background color is changed to pink, and when we press it again, it will change to pink again. First it will change to orange, then pink, orange, then pink. So in this way, we are using a state variable background color in our functional component. So yeah, that is all for like this video. One more thing I want to add, like if you do not want to use this like function, then you can directly return like orange only. So what it will do, it will just give orange as our next render every time. It will not give pink on the third time again. So let's save this. So let's open it again. So for the initial value is pink, and whenever we press on this button, it will return orange. So for every render after that, it will return only orange. And and one more thing we can do, we can read the background color from here also. If background color is pink, then we are going to set background color as this, else we are going to set background color as so. Now this will work as our first approach. So whenever we are going to click on, whenever we are clicking on this button, it is reading the current value from here, not from this set background color methods initial prop. It is reading directly from this constant, and then according to that it is setting our background color. So you can use either of the method, both are correct, both are having their advantages also. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Our next video would be coming on use effect and use layout effect. So if you are interested in that, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.